Major prediction on US Israel versus Iran conflict, ladies and gentlemen. We unfortunately do not have the birth details of the leader of Iran or whoever is calling the shots in Iran, but we have the birth details of Donald J. Trump and Benjamin Netanyahu. So if I see Benjamin Netanyahu's chart, I see that from 25th May this year to 28th July, which is this 64-day period, he will make massive gains. So this could be his own political gains, or he might be successful in doing a complete regime change in Iran, or there could be gain of territory. So either ways, it's a good period. So whatever is best for Israel will happen at that time. And also for Donald J. Trump, I had predicted that 14 June 2025 to 14 June 2026 is a difficult period for him. And you are seeing you have seen his tweets, right? He's ranting all over the place. So therefore, now 14 June 2026 to 14 June 2027 is luckily a good year for him. So therefore, this period 14 June this year is also coinciding with this period of Benjamin Netanyahu, which is 25th May to 28th of July. So basically, from mid of June onwards, it's a good period for both US and Israel, and especially for Benjamin Netanyahu. After his birthday of this year, 21st October 2026 to 21st October 2027, I see there can also be big gains in territory, or there could be gains either ways, if they want to do regime change, or maybe for him also politically, it will be a period of gains. So therefore, if y- if you ask me my opinion, I don't think this war is ending soon. Of course, there could be a temporary pause or a ceasefire, but because US President Donald J. Trump and Benjamin Netanyahu has good periods which are coming up, not very far. Therefore, I think they will either end up doing a proper regime change, which means they will put a puppet leader there in Iran, which is pro US, could be pro Israel or pro Europe, or could be pro all the three. And along with that, it might also gain territory, maybe in Gaza or some parts of Iran or whatever, or maybe even the regime change attempt is completed and that itself is a success. So, whatever is good for Israel and US to continue, I see that they should be able to achieve it to a reasonable good extent in the next 1.5 years, because the period for Benjamin Netanyahu goes till his next birthday, which is around 1.5 years from now, right? So therefore, if you are in a situation where you think you will do something if the situation improves in a short while, I don't think that is happening. So you should prepare for a long term conflict, especially 1.5 years. Could be that something ends in between, but it may start again.